Proper day.
Proper day. Let's go. What's going on, girl? Ready for this adventure? Let's do it. Welcome back to the studio. Thanks a ton for joining me. Got an awesome adventure to show you guys. My buddy Garrett hit me up on Wednesday. He's like, yo, you want to go kayaking on Saturday? And I was like, let's do it. So got everything prepped, headed down to the beach right after work. Yeah, it was an awesome time. Spent the whole day out there, so can't wait to show you guys. This is pretty much where we kayaked the whole day. So 6 o'clock in the morning. Thankfully, we're gonna get a nice and early start for this kayaking trip here in New Bern at Garrett's family house. Gracious enough to let me stay, so we'll only have to drive about 35-45 minutes to get down to the beach. So we'll start from there. Can't start a trip without.
Cheers.
Cheers, brother. It's a great adventure. Sounds a little dry there.
Yeah. Maybe as we move through the sandwich, the meats will, the juices will get thicker after that. That feels refreshing.
Just checking out some of these houses tucked away in the trees. Getting a couple more casts in before we get back. Been out here about 8 hours. One fish, a lot of bites, just a ton of fun. Moving kind of slow. These old bones.
Yes, I got it.
Whoa, let's go. High score.